Good morning, all of you. Today we have continued Unit 4.
सर मैं तो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, मैं तो अभी ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ, ये लोग मेरा नाम लगा रहे हैं।
Chapter name Ratio.
जब नहीं देखा करो ना तो मत बोला करो, ठीक है?
Ratio, proportion and unitary method. Revision. This is the portion of Sunday test. This is the portion of coming Sunday test.
जो इसका नाम होगा खुद से बोलेगा।
Sunday online test. That will held on 5/9/2001. कमिंग संडे टेस्ट का ये यूनिट 4 पोर्शन है। So we have need to revise definition, rules, example questions, worksheet questions, brain teaser questions and other doubts. So I want to solve question of different types of different patterns that concern to the term ratio, that concern to the term proportion and unitary method. Means that we have solved questions that related to ratio, proportion and unitary method, and you will try to revise all other questions that depend upon it. आप घर पे भी अच्छे से रिवाइज करने का कोशिश करेंगे। वर्कशीट 2 फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वर्कशीट 2 वर्कशीट 2 से एक क्वेश्चन है दैट आस्क्ड बाय स्टूडेंट्स। Are the following numbers in proportion? Are the following numbers in proportion? Question mark. Worksheet 2, question number 1. It means that you have given 4 numbers and you have to ask to check the 4 numbers are in proportion or not. 4 numbers आपको दिए जाएंगे और आपको ये चेक करना है, बताना है कि वो 4 numbers proportion में है या नहीं। That four numbers any other कुछ भी हो सकता है, but we have to revise a simple question that have 4 numbers to check the proportion. Suppose that question A 9, 12, 18 and 24. 9, 4, 18 and 24. These four numbers are in proportion or not? Solution. इस क्वेश्चन का हम कैसे चेक करेंगे, कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? हाउ टू फाइंड these four numbers are in proportion or not? हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे ये प्रोपोर्शन में है या नहीं है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल this is the means term and this is the extreme term. All of you already know first term and last term is called extreme, second term and third term is called means. Product of extremes इक्वल टू, अब एक्सट्रीम का प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करेंगे. एक्सट्रीम दैट मीन्स 9 and 24. 9 and 24. In rough side you may to rough 24 multiply 9. 9 4 ja 36 carry 3. 9 2 ja 18 plus 3. That means 216. And product of means not allowed to talk. All of you silence, wait and try to revise, try to understand the process to solve the question. No any types of noise. Product of means equal to 12 into 18. Again you can rough here. 12 and 18. 12 8 ja 96 and 12 1 ja 12. 6 9 to 11 1 carry 2. 1 plus 1 2. 216. Same.
Yes, sir.
Same.
Yes, sir.
You know that product of extreme equal to product of means, then four numbers are in proportion. If not same, not in proportion. यदि ये आंसर डिफरेंट होता तो ये फोर नंबर प्रोपोर्शन में नहीं होता. अब आप अच्छे से समझ गए कि यदि आपको फोर नंबर्स इस तरीके से दिए जाएं, कोई भी any four numbers if you have given, then you easily find that four numbers are in proportion or not by this method. First you find product of term of extreme and then find the product of means. If the both are same, then confirm four numbers are in proportion. If this product are not same, then confirm that these four numbers are not in proportion. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any student doubt?
No, sir.
No. So as a result, you have to write here.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes. Answer is
yes.
yes, because
Product are same.
product are same. Yes.
Product are same. Because
because
Product are seen. Sir, लिख सकते हैं the product are.
yes कुछ भी products are same. आप उसको डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज में भी लिख सकते हैं. You can use different language to satisfy the answer. You can write the product of extreme equal to product of means, so four numbers are in proportion. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Students, you must copy this solution in your rough page now. Not need to reply. If you complete, then you sit in silence way. Now we come on other question. Worksheet 2, question number 2. Fill in the box. Fill in the box so that four numbers are in proportion. Question number A. (32) box 6 12. अब आपको क्वेश्चन ऐसा मिल रहा है, फोर नंबर्स प्रोपोर्शन में होना चाहिए, बट यू हैव गिवन ओनली 3 नंबर्स एंड 1 बॉक्स. क्वेश्चन इज दैट what number should we fill here so that 4 numbers are in proportion. हम इस बॉक्स में कौन सा नंबर पुट करेंगे ताकि ये 4 नंबर्स प्रोपोर्शन में हो जाएगा. सॉल्यूशन. First of all, the number that we put on box, the number that we put on box,
सर देखिए हम बोले ना भी
the number that we put in box, that is required number. That is required number. So we let required number be, let the required number be x. रिक्वायर्ड नंबर x मान लिया गया. नाउ वी राइट 32 x 6 and 12. Some sound come from your side. Why? Why not you say it in silent way? Why not? Number is 32, 8, 6 and 12. Now you check of that method, that in proportion जिस मेथड से आप चेक किए वही प्रोसेस करेंगे. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम. Here we write, we know that means हम जानते हैं कि. अब यहाँ क्या, तो we know that में हम वो फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे जो फॉर्मूला प्रोपोर्शन चेक करने के लिए मैं बताया हूँ. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मीन्स इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स. Product of means, here product of means, that means x into 6 equal to 32 into 12. Therefore x is equal to 32 into 12 divided by 6. Now cancel 6 to 12. 32 into 2 equal to 64. Answer. यदि इस क्वेश्चन को समझने में किसी स्टूडेंट्स को डाउट है तो बोर्ड के पास चले जाइए. Yes, what is your problem? Product of means equal to product of extreme, right? Right है. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम? ओके, तो any students, if you have doubt to solve this question, solve these types of question related to box, one box given and you have to find a number that put in box, so 4 numbers are in proportion. आप ध्यान दीजिए, ये बॉक्स कभी सेकेंड में है तो कभी फर्स्ट नंबर में भी हो सकता है, कभी थर्ड टर्म में भी हो सकता है, कभी लास्ट में भी हो सकता है. ये बॉक्स कहीं भी हो सकता है. और ऐसे ही हम बॉक्स के जगह पे x मानेंगे, रिक्वायर्ड नंबर x एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. ओके, सो ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट कॉपी दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो. I already instruct you, no any reply that you have complete. If not complete, then you complete fast as soon as possible. I have given some time to copy this question. Okay, you completed, all of you. Now question number 3. Worksheet 2, question number 3. Are the following in continued proportion? Continued proportion. Now you have given only 3 terms. Now you have given only question number B. 397 27. In continued proportion, I already know we need to repeat the middle term. In continued proportion, you are given only 3 numbers. You listen carefully. For the continued proportion, second term and third term are same. Second term, third term same होता है. For this, we repeat the middle term. We repeat the middle term. And middle term is 9. So we write it 3, 9, again 9 and 27. This 9 repeated. No. Now we have given. अब आपके पास कितने टर्म हो गए? 4. And now the process to check as usual of the related to proportion. Product of this is means and this is extremes. We know that product of means is called to product of extreme, and here product of means, that means 9 into 9. And here 3 into 27. 9 9 is 81. 327 is 81. Equal. So given numbers are in continued proportion. Equal. Answer. So given numbers in continued proportion. If this answer not equal, अगर ये आंसर इक्वल नहीं होता, then we write here given number is not in proportion. जब ये प्रोसेस हम करते हैं तो हमको 2 आंसर आता है, या तो प्रोडक्ट सेम होता है या प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंट होता है. यदि प्रोडक्ट सेम हो गया तो हम क्या कहेंगे? कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन में है. और यदि डिफरेंट हो गया तो क्या बोलेंगे? कंटिन्यूस प्रोपोर्शन में नहीं है। You also copy this question. Fast, fast, copy. कितना बार में बोला? रिप्लाई नहीं करनी है। कितने बार में बोला? Worksheet 3. Question related to unitary method. Question number 1. Question is that Sahil buy 8 books for ₹72. What is the cost 45 books? Cost of 8 books equal to ₹72. Cost of one book is equal to 72 divided by 8. First we find the value of one article by division. Then find the value of more. That means you have to find here 45 books. So we write here 45 books. 72 divided into 45. We cancel 72 with 8 9 times. 9 into 45 equal to, you can rough here. You write rough and rough here. 45 into 9, 405. 9 times the 45, carry 4. 9 4 ja 36 plus 4, 40. 45. Rupees 405. Important points that used to find unitary method. Important point. You must write in copy. One dozen equal to 12. One score equal to 20. 1 quintal equal to 100 kg. You must write and learn. As homework, all of you write. Revise of unit 4 properly. Revise of unit 4 properly. You will must revise other questions that related to that, इससे रिलेटेड जो अभी आपको रेशियो, प्रोपोर्शन और यूनिटरी मेथड से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन मैं बोर्ड पे कराया हूँ, आप इससे रिलेटेड और भी क्वेश्चन घर पे रिवाइज करेंगे। Unit 4 is the portion of coming Sunday test, that is tomorrow. That is tomorrow. So students, you must revise, learn definitions. You must definition of, students, you must revise the definition of ratio, definition of proportion and definition of unitary method. Definition of ratio, proportion and unitary method. Yes. Learn and revise. Learn and revise. Okay. Hands.
लीजिए आप लोग को भी दिखा देते हैं।